Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials.
Microsoft has released the Power BI July 2026 feature update, and while this month's release is not packed with flashy AI features, it includes several productivity improvements that Power BI developers have been waiting for. In this video, I will cover the top 8 updates you should know, along with why they matter and where you can use them in real projects. So let's get started. Let me show you the blog post. Here we are in the blog post and we will start with reporting updates. Modern visual defaults. The biggest reporting announcement this month is the expansion of modern visual defaults. Previously, if you wanted a consistent design across your report, you had to manually format every visual. This was time consuming and often led to inconsistent reports. Now, you can customize the entire report theme directly from the format pane. Let me move to Power BI desktop. Now you can customize the entire report theme directly from the format pane. You can define colors, borders, shadows, padding, corner radius, page background, wallpaper, and filter pane formatting once, and every visual automatically inherit those settings. Let me show you this. So I open the customize theme from the format pane, and now here you can see we have theme settings, and from here we can modify our themes. Also here we have colors, and from here you can choose different color, and based on your selection the color will be updated. Similarly, here you can select the colors of your data. You can select sentiment colors, visual properties, header icons, tooltip, paddings. Even from here you can change the background color of your canvas, or even you can change the canvas setting, and at once everything will be applied in the entire report. If you build reports regularly, this feature will save a lot of formatting time and help you maintain consistent branding. Let me move to the next update. I'm again opening the blog post. Conditional formatting for line charts. This is one of the most requested features from the Power BI community. Until now, conditional formatting worked for many visuals but not effectively for line charts with legends. Now you can apply dynamic colors to the line chart, column chart, bar charts, pie charts, and donut charts even when they use legends. Colors can be driven by a DAX measure or gradient rules. Let me open the Power BI desktop again and show you some demo. So let's say for example, I selected this line chart, and let me come to format. Here I can come to lines, I can select color, and here I can click on FX button. Here let me select rules only, and from here let me select net profit, and here I am defining a rule. So let's say for example, if my profit is from 0 to 20,000, the color will be red. So let me select red color here, and if it is more than 20,000 to maximum, let me select green color. Let me click on OK. So here you can see the conditional formatting is applied, and based on my rules it highlighted this chart. Similarly, you can highlight monthly sales by year. Even you can highlight the line in different color for last year. Imagine highlighting the current financial year in blue while previous years appears in lighter shades, making trends much easier to spot. Now let's move to the next update. Report page navigation improvements. If you worked with reports containing dozens of pages, you will appreciate this one. Previously, moving a page from end to the beginning meant dragging it repeatedly. Let me move to the end. And let's say, for example, I wanted to move this last page here after Geo. Let me move to the last page. Now, when you drag a page tab to the edge, Power BI automatically scroll the tab bar, making it much easier to reorder pages. Now I just put it here. Even you can right click here and you can select the page and go to a particular page. Let me move to the next update. For that, let me move to the blog post first. Org apps with audience is now generally available. Microsoft has made org apps or organization apps with audience generally available. Instead of creating multiple apps for different departments, you can create one app and define different audience such as finance, sales, HR, or operations. For each audience, see only the reports relevant to them while you manage a single app. Let me move to my workspace and show you one business scenario. So here just I am in my app and let me move to audience. Here you can see I have different audiences. For example, sales team can see sales report, HR team able to see or access HR dashboards. Similarly, finance team able to access finance reports only from a single app. So from here we can create new audience and accordingly we have to give them the access. So here you can see for A1 audience these reports are not visible. Through this from a single apps it is much easier to manage. We have a separate video on org app. If you are interested you can watch the same from here. Let me move to the blog post again and we will discuss the next update. Now we will start with modeling updates. This is my favorite modeling enhancements. You can now write major descriptions directly in DAX query view using triple slash comments. Instead of creating a measure and then switching to the Model Explorer to add its description, you simply write your measure like this. When you update the model, the description is saved automatically. This improves documentation and makes semantic models much easier for teams to understand. Now we'll discuss the next update. Model options in Power BI service. Microsoft continuously bringing desktop capabilities to the web. You can now configure important model settings directly in the Power BI service, including relationship detection, time intelligence, local, parallel loading, and direct query options. Less switching between desktop and service means a smoother modeling experience. Starting in August, when you open the setting for semantic model in Power BI service, they open in the new settings pane instead of full setting page. Now we'll move to the next update, TMDL view on the web. Another major developer feature is TMDL View on the web. Developers now can edit semantic model metadata directly in the browser using tabular model definition language. This enables bulk edits, better source control, faster developments, automation scenarios without downloading the model into desktop. Let me show you the same in Power BI service. Here I'm in the editing option of a semantic model, and here you can see we have TMDL view, and this is in preview. If you come here and let me come to the model, and if I drag this here, you can see all the components of the semantic model, and from here we can modify or update anything in bulk. Even we can create new components as well, and once done we can hit on apply button to apply or incorporate all the changes at once. For enterprise development teams using Git and DevOps, this is a significant productivity improvements. So these are my favorite highlights from the Power BI July 2026 update. If I had to pick top 3 features, they would be modern visual defaults, conditional formatting for line charts, TMDL view on the web. These updates continue Microsoft's focuses on improving developer productivity and making report authoring more efficient. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to use.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.